Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to post photos on LinkedIn. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, open the app, and after that go and click on the plus button in the bottom of the screen, like the middle one. Click on it, and as you can see, of course you can type some text, and after that you can just click on the picture like icon here, and after that you can take picture with your camera or with directly upload a picture from your phone and click add. After that you can edit your picture, click next, and you can choose to post it directly by clicking on post, or scheduling it by clicking on the clock and choose the time and the date, and choose who will see your post, like anyone, connections only, groups. You can control comments also, and after that you have just to click post, and your posts here will be directly posted. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you